Oh, interesting, guys. Look at this. What can we pick this? 62. Wow. Do I want to go with this? Ah, look at it. Look at it. Wow, near. I'm not sure about it though. Ah, but let me check the volatility level. Let me check the volatility level. Wow, is it going up? Looks like it's going up, guys. It is going up. It is going up. Let's take the final one with near. Let's hope that near will bring us near and actually finally execute very quickly. Looks like it's gonna be good. Let's just pick $50. I mean, we're still in. Oh, we've gotten one executed. Beautiful. I don't know which one that is, but I think I should take near first. I think I should take near first and we go find out which one got executed, guys. I don't know, but I think I should take near before I think about that. Oh, did I get it? Did I get it? Is it going? Is it going up? Looks like it's going up. Oh, it looks like it's going up. We'll have to cancel it. Let me go and see what is going on. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Okay. Oh. Obviously. What's going on? It's like it's going up, guys. Am I going to pick this one? Am I going to leave it? I don't know. I'm a bit wary of it, guys. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think we should go with it? It looks full. It looks full. Wow, let's go with it. Let's just pick something. Let's go with it. Let's see. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. Did we get it? It looks like we got it. It looks like we got it, guys. I hope this is not a mistake, guys. I hope. But let's go over to convert. We will go over to convert to do near, because near should bring us close and we should quickly get executed. I'm seeing those big pumps. It looks good, guys. It looks good. Let's go with near. Okay, so it looks good. Let me put that my USDT here. Let me put my USDT here. Right. Okay, and then we will see whether we can take up the max and then see, are we still in profit? I think it took up everything, but what we are going to be looking for is maybe to put this in 8.5. Is it going to be good? We need more than that. 8.6. We need more than that. 8.7. Okay, 8.65. I think. Oh no, 8.66. We just want to have a little bit over 1.867. I think I'm cool with this. Let's work with this, right? Let's work with this. Near was the very first one that got executed, and we got $51.10. That means that I think for near, it was it not. Let me go and check how much we bought it, because I can't remember. I know we bought it at a particular price so that we can actually know how much profit that we have, right? So if we check it out, you will see that near was the last one we bought. We bought it at $49.80. $49.80. Okay, so and then we got it sold at 51.10, and that means that we actually made $1.30. That's what we made, $1.30. Okay, let's go see how much that is in the calculation, right, for near. So we're going to go check in the calculations. We bought that was $51.10, okay, minus 49.80. That's $1.30. Okay, so now we're going to quickly do that. Let me put that again. We had let me just type that again. I wanted to take a screenshot of that. 4110 minus, okay, 49.8. That gave us what? 1.3. That's $1.30. So then we now come back and we put 49.80, right, times what? Will that be 2.7 or 2.8? Let me put 2.8 first. Okay, not up to that. 2.7 is good. Let's see. Oh, it's still more. Let's say 2.6. I think 2.65. Oh, that's still much. 2.63. Yes, 2.62. I think 2.62 is better to use. 2.62%, as you can see here. So that was for near. We made 2.62% on that trade, guys, which is awesome, right? The target is 2%, maximum around 2.5, but I think this one spilled over to 2.6, which is good anyway, and it got executed.